Welcome to the lush hills of Portland, Jamaica, a place where nature meets tranquility. Today we join popular Jamaican blogger Collaz Smith and his team as they embark on a cookout adventure surrounded by breathtaking views and vibrant culture. Collaz and his crew are here not just to cook, but to experience the serenity of the hills and bring us along for the ride. Today's menu will be stewed beef and white rice, as the flavors of Jamaica come alive in this outdoor feast. You can see the various team members play their role in the preparation of ingredients as they meticulously clean the meat, cut the natural seasonings, gather the sticks for the outdoor fire, and prepare the makeshift natural outdoor stove. You can almost smell the spices through the screen. The hills of Portland offer more than just a feast for the stomach. They are a feast for the soul. This is nature at its finest.
My beautiful people, welcome back to another beautiful day. As you can see from the view, look at that. We are on the hilltop, step on top of the mountain. I'm on top of the world! So today, we're going to make some stew beef. You don't know, with some rice. Alright? And we're doing it in this beautiful area. Nice, cool and peaceful. Yeah man, I like far away from all of this. Everything else, we're just being one with nature, right? See? We're out here. So we're going to even before we start, before we put on our party. This was one of our fireside. So we're going to kind of just brush away so we can get a better look at the view. See? Keep going forward. Brush out.
Pimenta is solid. Yeah man, last piece is left. Cut up now. See, done. So I'm just going to stay tuned now and try.
Right now, we're up on hilltop and we are max out the food. See, climb out there so I get the beef clean up and thing. The man them I do the work on the bathroom, as you can see. I have the bird up in here. So we fly all the way gone down the gun, look what them are going with. I will show you the footage then from that.
Same time we get it out back. Be pretty like a morning. check in people, so I get on some jerk season on it. Same time we have the Maggie. The one here go wicked enough people, you know. Don't be late, you know. Never late with people, you know. Watch the people, you see that? Beautiful. Get down, look a bit more Maggie. Same time, you know, people, we have the natural seasoning, eh? You with the bigger pepper, you know. I will tell you, man. Everything, you know, man. I go inside, you know. That one day I go wicked, you know, guys. And I need to test that one day, you know. Onion we have cut up now. Oh no. See, we have a piece of sweet pepper, yeah. We have some thyme.
And guys, look, them bone, good soup bone in us, can find purposes for it. So anyways, go and stay tuned, watch what go and go. Season up the beef, so we can get it on the fire, because you don't know, we now use the pressure cooker, so we have to put it on first and make it cook quick and fast. Yeah man. Outside. So we are going now and get on with beef. See? Yeah man. Climber and so far did walk along so we see if we get now jelly, but we never get any. Anyways, them say them so and next year over that side, so socks, climber and so far gone over there. So let's see if they have any better luck. Me, I will just put on the pot. This one, that one higher. Higher. Turn you on, turn. That's one little flat. Let me see this guy. Still one little higher one. Show this for me. Alright people, so I'm going to Saturday done go ahead and season up the beef. Natural seasoning, powder seasoning and everything. So just a wait pan the pot for hot so we can get in some of the oil. So we have a big jar of oil. I don't know if you don't know them things. Back in the days, they usually have some little, I would then use like aluminum thing, like one cup, and then measure out, the oil, but them start do it that way now. I think people still do it, you'll find it a corner. Still. But nowadays everything is selling a bulk and people are buying a bulk, so I think them things that take time cut out little. But yeah man, you could have buy a pint of oil, half pint, 1 pint. Yeah. So people are getting high. And I'm going with the whole big bowl. See? I got one piece of pepper. I always put him in the thing go on up to the eye. I'll go in with this. Now a minute now I'll get some water, wash out that and get it in my pot. No harm with it. Just fry a little bit first. Looking beautiful, you know, man. Like that. Looking good. Yeah. Carrying some water on this. And guys, we have a keep a YouTuber / subscriber link up. See? There are going to more information. We have in the next probably day or two, we'll put out an official flyer and also like a little video promoting that. Basically, that is going to be aimed at encouraging, you know, more people to start, you know, a channel. And also, if you don't want to start a channel, you can just come and meet up with your favorite YouTubers across Jamaica. Since I really I got invite all of the YouTubers there, near and far. All for the overseas you want to keep in you can forward, see? And we're going to have that at the bar down in Dover. See? Same place how we keep the back to school trip. Come on, that's what we're going to have. Yeah? A YouTuber, subscriber, link up. Yeah, man. We're running over that now. Just run. Success, you waste your time, come on, yeah? People do time up. Oh, we time up, yeah. So we are go. Yeah. So we are go back up because the time I look on them chair over here, so none of them on them. Some of them on but them young, so. So if you need to come up in the bush to come over, man. So guys, reach up, take Charlie, talk something more with time good on me. So stay tuned, watch how I go and jelly up on the tree young, so you know that go. They make no sense to climb it and them young.
Oh jelly, I take my on that journey there. Put up all my finger, not even one jelly. Something not burning.
You could have in bush like that. You need to come in the bush to come on, man.
Well, you get used to it.
Can't man in the bush like over there. Poor thing. Alright people, so as I say, we have a lounge to do now. So we're going to pressure it in us, so. So make sure say it tender and soft. Alright, we'll lock him back, you know. Pot cover this man.
Zach, bring a bigger pot cover for
A big pot cover.
Cut up and you have to go in the pot, like you go and cook down, see how you do it. See how we have piece of time. About 1 onion. You know, so when this cook down, beef, you get off by beef done. Cook away. Yeah, but tomato you cut up same time. Turn round and now. People watch them, man. Yeah, man, beautiful, you know. So you know, so natural season cook, you know, so that natural.
Alright, people, check in, so I'll go ahead and get in some ketchup in our pot. Yeah, man, they just put in a little bit more water off camera. Yeah, man, that come down nice. So I get in some ketchup, kind of give it a little thickness. Some nice brown stew beef, yeah, with some rice in our hills. Alright. Eat a little. Taste this. For we lucky back. Soon as this jump off, go sabam and Japan rice. Yeah, man, we just want to make him go and come down. So we're lucky back. I'll make it go and do things. So I'll go on, the guys. Still there with this nice, beautiful scenery. On the coconut tree there. Look at that view. Amazing. Yeah, man, so just go and stay tuned. Watch how I go on. Go out here without fear. Check in, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, right now, the gravy gone down to a nice level we can work with. So I'll get it off right now. We don't want no more dry out. Yeah, man, you see that? So I'll get it off. Alright. Hit that. This is our stew beef. Yeah, man. See? Nice and rich and thick. Yeah, man, we don't deal with long water. Gravy for nice and rich. So,
Alright, take it. So I get on rice, then get in a little salt in it. So watch how I go on. Come on, people, so I get in a little salt in it. So clean up his skeleton and time for getting it. Don't know anything come now. We don't measure salt in it, we just show a little till we mind tell it stop. You see me? Man. So after getting in skeleton and time, just get a couple of them, so just go and stay there. Yeah, man, people, so right now, rice are good on in our one rice, steam out good, so I get out work, I get out the fire coat, because we don't want too much fire underneath it, you know, the high fire, because the steam rice will steam out, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, so, I walk me come slow I go on, in my pot, so I take out majority of the fire, look how I go on. Rice will steam out nicely, people, yeah, man, so. You know, so next time we are checking back on the pot, I come. No rice done cook. Seal, you know, I go no far from ground, man. Take you up my tea bag.
where's the little man and put them back in the pot and gravy can and free up the pot. I'll show it can.
As the saying goes in
The one I
Jamaica,
go wicked enough people.
Portland is where the boats
Don't
land.
be late.
These proverbial boats are symbolic of the cooking pots coming off the fire and the food about to be shared out. As the sun sets on another unforgettable day in Portland, we are reminded of the simple joys, good food, great company, and the unmatched beauty of Jamaica's hills. And I lie, the cookout ya wicked, no joke. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, use the mic again. Yeah man, food I share out. Almost ready. Don't know, got some nice lovely stew beef with some white rice. You don't know. The day really cool and nice. The view spectacular. Yeah man, that is it. You see me? Can't I just check in, so you know, say the work man them finish what them I do for the day. Yeah man, and tomorrow is the next day upon the work again. Alright people, that is it. Food ready. So you can forward, man, and forward.
Here, Atlantic. Let me taste first. Ladies before gentlemen. Soft and nice. No pressure cooker beef.
That is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, people. So I'm going to check in on T-Bag over here, sir.
Wicked. So I go on. Wicked. When the gravy wicked, you don't have to talk about meat now.
That is it, no people. So nice white rice and pork. Lovely man.
Beef.
A beef? Yeah. No man. Wonderful and beautiful, you know? Now use that. That is it, man. Food mad. Sally beef, yeah? That's very soft.
But they wait for this one yesterday. You see me? Before Collaz they would think about when I'm cooking idea, I wait for this. You see me? Food wicked.
That is it, you know. People, so are going. Yeah, man. Everything nice, everything lovely. You know? Outside, you know. I will go back in the pot again.
The beef for you? People wanna boom in. Wow.
Yeah, people. Food wicked. Yeah, man. I find I see this, isn't it?
So you go and can that? No, sir. How we food, yeah?